Hello and welcome to Unmatched Value. Today we have something interesting for you. It's a USB cable by TOPK. It's something special. I've never seen this before. So here's what it can do. TOPK on. And my hands are off the table. TOPK charge. Unbelievable, right? So there's probably some of you that are like skeptical, thinking that there's some kind of trick, and well, you'd be absolutely right. I was using a magnet. But despite that, this is actually a really nice cable, magnetic. It's really easy to attach and take off. It can do a lot. So let's take a look at this one. Let's unpack it. Alright, so the one I got is there's 3 cables in here. There's two 6.6 foot long cables, and there's one there's 3.3. So it comes in this kind of box. And it comes with a carrying case and 3 cool little cable ties type things. So there's several features that I really like about this. First of all, usually when you're ordering cables online, you have to get one for your specific phone type. This one comes with 3 attachments. So there's one that's a USB-C, a micro USB, and a Lightning for iPhone. So one of the attachments is a normal one, just like you'd see in every other phone, straight up. But then they have this kind, which is meant for gaming on your phone. Well, I mean, playing games on your phone. I don't know if it's really called gaming, but so it goes at an angle like this, which makes it really easy and comfortable to play games. So I really like this cable. And then you get this short little 3.3 foot one. I mean, if I don't know, buy a computer, that's where I use mine. So I've been using these for my Bluetooth headphones. I've been using them for lots of things. It's really convenient, really quick. I mean, you just snap it on and it starts charging, and then whenever you need to take it off, that's really easy too. Also, since this is magnetic, you can get it to attach places like something metal. You can just stick it on there, so it's easy to get to. Let's see, I will link these down below to Amazon, where I got these. There's 2 different kinds. There's one with just these 2 cables, and then there's one with this one, so I'll link both of those, I think. But yeah, so nice carrying case. I find that this one is the best for the money. I mean, I like the one where you can, like, if you're holding your phone sideways, this is really convenient. So basically attaches like this, and then it spins around if you need it to. That's why it's a circular base here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and have a great day.